Hyundai Sonata, the customer says that they accidentally put it into Drive Plus and that she thinks it blew her transmission or her fuel pump. Not sure how that will do that, but we're gonna figure it out. There's no door handle. That's freaking awesome. Can you go on the other side and see if it's open? Customer said they were driving and she did something with the shifter. Said something about she put it in plus. You know, it's got like the side shift over here. And her words to me were that she thinks she blew her transmission or her fuel pump. Yeah, I mean, that could definitely hurt the transmission, but it ain't gonna hurt the fuel pump. But now it's dead in the water. She said it would start for about 30 seconds and then die, and now it doesn't do anything. So we're gonna jump in, see what the heck's going on here. All right, I got the key finally. Couldn't find it in the car. Oh, battery's dead. Can you grab the jump box for me? Okay. Okay, let's see what we got now. Hey, based on what she said, I feel like I'm dealing with probably just a fuel pump issue or a crank issue. Yeah, crank's good. Let's see if we can see some cranking RPM real quick. If we can, then I'll probably just go check and see if we just have a loss of fuel or something. You don't need to stand out here.
I'm gonna go make it.
Yeah. It's too cold. She don't need to be standing over there waiting on me. Oh crap. Automatic. Come on. Alright, so let's just go check and see if we can see some crank RPM real quick. Engine speed. Right. Yeah, we got crank RPM. Alright, that's fine. I like that. Let me go do one last thing, just check some codes. No trouble codes. Okay, we're gonna chase some fuel here and see if that'll get this thing going. Let's get some brake clean and give that a little bit of a spray real fast. There's no fuel rail pressure sensor on it that I can see. Oh, that's barely even connected, so we're gonna take that off. This car has seen better days. Okay. Nope. Still won't start. Okay. Yep, this thing won't fire at all. Alright, so what did we lose? Losing some sparky spark or something else? I'd like to pop a line here just to check on the fuel pressure. Okay, let's get this all out of the way. Gosh, my hands. Not used to this weather anymore. When I was younger and I used when I moved here, this wasn't so bad, but lately, my body can't handle this cold weather. This is stupid weather. Not liking it. Just gonna pop this seal line. Just to see if we got pressure. Let me get the wife. I need you for a second. Okay, I'm gonna do something here, y'all. Don't do this at home, please. I just need you to turn the key on and then back off real quick. Okay, I got nothing. Give it a crank. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got no fuel pressure. So that ether trick doesn't always work. Just so you know, because obviously that proves it. So I got no fuel pressure at all. We need to get back to that fuel tank. We need to see what's going on. Gotta go see if I can access it or not. So I gotta go look up some all data stuff real fast. I'm hoping this is under the back seat where I can get to it. These things are making my hands colder. So that's either under the back seat or in the trunk area. I think it's going to be back seat. So we're going to go check that out. Let's get a load cage real quick. I just bought new ones over here. What? I can't see the screen with my... The gloves don't allow me to touch the screen. Okay.
Can we just dump those in the container?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, fuel pumps back here. Let me adjust the camera if I can. It's like half in the trunk, half behind the seat. Nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's mostly gone. Come on. Okay. All right. So we got black and green and black and green. There's only two black and greens. I really care about the bigger ones. All right, let's get Mr. Load Cage here. Babe,
yeah.
Need you in the driver's seat.
Okay.
All right, key on. Crank. Okay, I got nothing. Oh, maybe it was my connection. Hang on. Do it again, key on.
Key on.
Crank. Yeah, it's my connection. Pretty sure. Do it again, crank. Shut it down. Cool. Okay, so we're just doing some cleanup. Needs a fuel pump. But we have one issue here. The customer mentioned that she did something while she was driving. Right here on the shifter, she had put it into plus while she was driving. That poses a slight problem. Depends on how long she did that for, and if it made any noises like, you know, transmission go bang, then she has a problem, meaning she's got a transmission issue that's going to have to be addressed. I don't know that yet. So first step, we're just going to go ahead and get her an estimate for the fuel pump, and then if she does that, then we can drive it and see if it works. So either you're going to see a repair here or you're not. If we do, this is the fuel pump repair. If not, then I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next job.